Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Again I am here with you to teach the rest of the chapter. Before starting a new section, let's recall what we had studied in our previous class. Do you remember what we had studied in our previous class? Tell me what we had. Yes, we studied about the life in the desert. Do you remember what is desert? What is desert? Yes, desert is a flat land or area covered with loose land. Area covered with loose sand. Which is the important desert in India? Tell me, which is the largest desert in India? Yes, Thar Desert. It is also known as Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. And it extended in Rajasthan and in Punjab and in North Pakistan. It included in partially in Rajasthan and in Punjab and in North Eastern Pakistan. In some parts, desert is almost surrounded by sand. In some part, desert is almost surrounded by sand. The small hills of sand, it's known as sand dunes. We already studied in previous class what is sand dunes. A small hills of sand in desert region that is known as sand dunes. We already mentioned that the Aravalli mountain ranges, that is the important mountain ranges in India, northern India, that divided Rajasthan into two parts, which are they? Yes, the western part and eastern part. The western part is the desert and its eastern part is highly populated area. Then we discuss about the climatic condition in desert region. Climatic condition in desert region. The summer season, the days are very hot and evenings are cool. In winter season, the days are very warm and evenings are cold. This region did not get very little rain. Only one river, that's name is Luri, only flow through the desert region. In some parts of desert, underground water comes on the surface of the earth. That place is known as oasis. We already mentioned about in last class, in some parts of desert region, underground water comes up to the surface of the earth. That part is known as oasis. In villages, most of the villages are founded around the oasis, and some plants and trees like date palms, apricots, figs, etc. were also grown around the desert, these oasis regions. These are the main contents we mentioned about in the last class. And also we discuss about the animals in desert region. Do you remember which are the main animals are commonly seen in desert region? Yes, black buck and camel are the main two important animals are commonly seen in desert region. And also one of the important bird, endangered bird, its name is bustard, endangered Indian bird. The bustard bird is commonly seen in desert region. Next we discuss about the life in the desert region. Life in the desert region. We already mentioned about the main occupation of the desert region, that sheep rearing and goat rearing. Sheep rearing is the main occupation of the desert region. So, some of the people move with a herd or goat from one place to another to move with a herd in search of food. That people is known as nomads. We already mentioned in previous class who are the nomads. Who are the nomads? Nomads were thus move one place to another with a herd in search of food. That name is one of the important nomad tribe, that is Banjaras, lived in desert region. The main feature of the nomad tribes, that is the nomad tribes have no permanent homes. The nomad tribes have no permanent homes. In the last class we just stop here. Today we continue. Let us start the next portion of the life in the regions in desert region. Okay. Due to the extreme climate and scarcity of water, so the life in the desert region is very difficult. We already learned that, we already studied that the climatic condition in desert region in summer and winter seasons are days are very hot, and the desert region did not get any rainfall. Only one river, that is Luni, the river is only flowing through the desert region. So a big scarcity of water existing in desert region. So the life in the desert is not easy. So the people, mainly women, have to move long distance in search of water for irrigation and household use. One of the important canal, that is Indira Gandhi Canal, built in desert region. This canal bring water from Satluj river basin. One of the important canal in desert region. It is the longest canal in desert region. Its name is Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal bring water from Satluj river basin. The areas of this canal, the people in canal area, the main farmers cultivated some crops like wheat, jowar and bajra and maize, etc. were highly cultivated in the farmers in that areas. The main important canal in desert region, that name is Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal bring water from Satluj river basin, and it is the longest canal in the desert, and in the area the living peoples like farmers highly cultivated wheat, maize and jowar. in the shapes of the house. Next we studied the shapes of the house in the desert. The house are very flat roof and small windows. The shapes of the house. The most houses have flat roof and a small windows. Houses shapes are flat roof and small windows. Most of the houses have flat roof and small windows. And the walls are thick to keep the heat out and keep the houses cool. The walls are thick to keep and heat out and keep the houses cool. In some houses were underground tanks for store rainwater. In some houses have underground tanks to store rainwater. That tank is known as tankers. Tankers. Tangas. In some houses have underground water to store underground tanks to store rainwater. That tanks is known tangas. In some houses have to store tanks, rainwater. That tank is known as tangas. Okay. Next we studied about the main cities in towns in Rajasthan. Okay, I just show a chart for you. The main feature of Banjaras, they had no settled life. They had no permanent life. Then we discuss the dressing styles of the people in Rajasthan, the building styles of the house of the Rajasthan, the main building, the houses building, the styles of the houses, the most of the houses in Rajasthan, that is the flat roof and small windows. Flat roof and small windows. Most of the houses have underground tanks to store the rainwater. That tank is known as tangans. Then we discuss the dressing styles of the people in Rajasthan. Then lastly we discuss about one of the important canal. We mention about it. All of you carefully mention the name of the major important canal in desert region, that is Indira Gandhi Canal. The canal bring the water from Satluj river basin. It is the longest canal in desert region, and in the areas of the canal, the people in canal region, most of the peoples cultivated wheat, maize and jowar, etc. Next class we will discuss the worksheet and fun to learn activities in your textbook. Okay, today wind up my class. Thank you. I think all of you understood in this section well. This is very small chapter. All of you read well. Thank you.